the way, kiddo.
You a little inchworm? You being a little inchworm? Yeah. Oh. Yep. Oh. Oh. You can see it from the side. You can see all the work you're doing. You gotta be able to see all the work you're doing. Yeah. No breaks. Keep going. Okay, so for the viewers, she started out about her head about here. And now she's all the way over there. All by herself. All by herself. Here we go. And push. There you go, yeah. You can move.